Manufacturing cost. Manufacturing cost equals direct production cost plus indirect production cost. Direct production cost, prime cost. A cost that can be easily identified or calculated on a single unit produced. Direct material. Direct labor. Direct expenses, royalty, patents, direct heating, and lighting. Prime cost equals raw material plus direct labor plus direct expenses. Indirect production costs. Costs that incurred in the manufacturing process, but they cannot be traced directly to the goods being produced. Include indirect material, indirect labor and indirect expenses, factory rent, factory insurance. A manufacturing account is split into two main sections showing prime costs and indirect costs. Note, in some questions, increase or decrease work in progress is given, so increase in work in progress is deducted and decrease in work in progress is added from total production cost to ascertain cost of production.